Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Cozy Crafts by Lindsay. Well, it's Saturday. I don't normally say I'm going to film on Saturdays, but this for me is kind of like a little bonus thing that I will do on the weekends. Sometimes, not every weekend. Yeah, I don't count on this every weekend. But I was cleaning out my closet today and I need to take these in a little bit. Because some of y'all know I lost 100 pounds. Now, I'm excited, but I need to go through and take in some of my shirts. The shirt I'm wearing right now, I mean, it's a house shirt, but it was super tight like 2 months ago. And I put it on today because, you know, when you're digging in your closet, you got to try on clothes. So I went ahead and tried this on. I thought maybe it'd still be a little bit tight. It wasn't. It fit me well. So tonight, because it's a little late. It's a little late in the evening. I'm going to get that sucker down. And we're going to do some sewing. Because I got to take them shirts in. Because those 3 shirts right there, I know I love those. They're something that I wear over and over and over again. 2 of them are kind of alike. Just a little. It's just, let me flip it around. They're very much alike. This one is kind of like it's a little bit, this one is thicker than this one. But this is more my loosey-goosey shirt. I know, I'm making up words. But, let me get the sewing machine down. Now, this is going to take me an hour, maybe a little more to do. But hopefully this will only be like 15 minutes for y'all. 15 minutes. But I'm going to keep it pretty simple. Because I'm going to use the same color thread all the way through. And that's going to be white. Yeah, I'm going to do the same color thread all the way through all of them. Just because I'm not the best at taking things in. So if I have to take it out, you know, I want to be able to see what I'm taking out. That's not the same. Not the same. It's not the same. But I think, let me see. Yes. I found it. So I'm going to use white all the way through just to make it just a little bit easier for me. Because, I mean, why not? It's Saturday night. We just got done eating supper. The kitchen still needs to be taken care of. Still got to iron all of our clothes for church. And one of these shirts is what I'm wearing for church. So that's going to be the first one I take care of. And that is this. And if I do it right, I'm going to wear this tomorrow for church. It's not, I loved it. I really, really loved it. But it was too big at the chest, kind of like this right here, and it's starting to want to open up just a little bit. It was a little big at the chest, and now it's too small. Wait a second, I'll show you what I mean. So this used to be like this, like, well, not quite that dramatic, but it was open and it was pretty tight. Now, after a year, you don't really see how much you've lost until you start putting on some of your old clothes. So I kind of got an idea of how much I want to take in and how much I want to, because I still kind of want it a little bit loose. I don't want it tight. I don't want to go back to that tightness. All right, so this is the first time that y'all have got to see anything pointing this way. So I know, I'm a messy person.
one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like that. Feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby.
I can already feel that it's just a tad bit tighter, but it's not like terrible. Oh, yeah. So I took it in on the sides. Cool y'all down just a second. Wish y'all could have seen it because it was like out to here. I don't necessarily mind it, but it looks a lot better than what it was. Yeah, I might have to give me a minute so I can go look in the big girl mirror. Okay, so I didn't like it at first, but then I took my undershirt off and I like it a little bit better. Now, let me explain why I like these on the side. My hips are bigger than my waist, okay? And because of that, this shirt was made very boxy. So like when I was saying, like, it was a box. And my hips are still big, so I definitely don't want nothing sitting tight right here. But my waist is smaller, so I kind of want that hourglass shape. There we go. So that is why I took it more in right here than anywhere else. And I like it. I like it. I will perfect this a little bit better. I'm not going to do these two shirts. Let me move the camera up. So I'm not going to do the other two shirts. I know. This took me a minute to figure out. And looking at it in the mirror, I like it. It's going to be good for church. But I'm still going to want to tweak this a little bit. And this might be what I start doing on Saturdays, trying to figure out how to take care of my own clothes. I need to watch more videos. I need to wrap my head around it a little bit more. But I don't want the box shape. I could take it in more up here, but I don't want my bust to be open. We'll figure this out. I'm learning to sew, y'all. So this is just Saturday entertainment. But I'm not gonna cut anything out because, like I said, I'm gonna play with this a little bit more. But whenever I get comfortable and perfect it more, then I will do that. I will cut the extra fabric on the inside. But right now, this gives me more of a curve shape, and I won't feel like everything's a big parachute, if you know what I mean. Because the back, I don't mind. I don't care about the back. I mean, that hides a lot. It does. But I think our sewing adventure, it was short and sweet, wasn't it? I know. You know, I might as well tell you something about crochet, right? So we went to Michael's today, and I saw some new stuff that I hadn't seen before. Fell in love with it, but it was expensive. And of course, I didn't film nothing. Whenever we was leaving, I looked at Paula, because me and her went shopping. I looked at her and I said, I didn't film a doggone thing. And when I was looking at the colors that they had available, I was like, I'm pretty sure I have that. So we didn't just go to Michael's. We went to other places. Michael's just happened to be nearby. But I didn't buy no yarn. I know. But we went to TJ Maxx and we bought all kinds of stuff. My husband let us go on a little shopping spree today. A fun little adventure going to TJ Maxx and Michael's, and of course Lowe's and CVS. Yeah, that was all. But I'm sorry this was short and sweet. I said I was going to do 2 other shirts, but after I got done with this, I was like, you know what? This is what I'm wearing tomorrow. I might as well not touch the other ones until I do just a little bit more research. Get the word out. Research. I'm comfortable with wearing this tomorrow. I like it. I love it. Y'all, 90% of this channel is crochet all the way. But every once in a while, I have to dig out that sewing machine and do something fun. So, most of the time, it's crochet, crochet, crochet. On the weekends, I try to put the crochet needle down to make sure that I get plenty of rest, because I can go crazy with crochet. The sewing machine, it don't do a lot with your wrists. It's just a matter of guiding it through. So today was perfect day for it. I hit myself in the face. And I got a shirt ready for me tomorrow for church. And if I film anything tomorrow, y'all will probably see it Wednesday. Yes, y'all will see the video Wednesday if I film anything for tomorrow. And y'all give me some suggestions for new videos, because I already have 2 suggestions. I'm going to try to work on that this week, starting Monday. Not tomorrow, but Monday. Try to work on some of my suggested videos and get those out, because I kind of want to prioritize those. And yeah, y'all make a suggestion and I will start prioritizing videos that y'all would like to see, because this brain can only go so far. Again, thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all on the next video. Bye, y'all.